Good day to all of you. Once again, this is your teacher Daniel. And today, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano natin nire-relate yung factoring the difference of two squares sa areas ng mga plane figures. Okay, so we have here an instruction. We are going to get a square paper and label the sides as A. So, ito yun, ano? Ito yun. Ang gagawin natin, kukuha tayo ng square paper, tapos bawat side niya, pagpalagay natin na yung haba is A o wala mo lang eksaktong sukat, ganyan. And then later on, we're going to cut a small square in any of its corner and label the side of the small square as B. So puputol tayo ngayon ng maliit na square, at yung magiging dimension naman ng maliit na square galing doon sa malaking square or sa malaking square paper na meron tayo, ang magiging dimension niya is B. Okay, so let us now try to answer the questions. What is the area of the larger square with sides A? So, kung papansin nyo, itong mas malaking square, yung original square paper natin, nung hindi pa natin pinutol si B, o hindi pa natin kinat yung small square, ang dimension niya is A. So, ano kaya yung kanyang area? Okay, so yun yung pinakamadali, ano? Ang area niya, since alam naman natin na yung area ng squares is denoted by S squared, therefore, yung area niya, since the sides is denoted by A, therefore, the area for this square is A squared. O, ganun lang. How about si B? O, ganun din si B. Yung area ni B naman is B squared. Now, how are we going to express the area of the larger square less the area of the smaller square algebraically? Paano naman natin na-express algebraically kung yung malaking square kanina, ito, binawasan ng maliit na square. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya, no? Ito yung magiging itsura niya. And, mathematically, ano kaya yung kanyang expression? So, don't forget na yung area nito kanina, yung area nito is A squared. Yung area naman nitong maliit is equivalent to B squared. So, therefore, larger square less the smaller square is the same as the area will be A squared minus B squared. Now, how are we going to define the length of side 3? Ito, at saka si side 4 in terms of A and B. Yun naman yung bigyan natin ng tuon. So, kung yung haba nito is A, yan o, A. So, therefore, yung haba nito, yung original na haba nito is also A. Diba? At kung A yan, tapos yung haba naman nito is B, ayan ano, B yan. So therefore, gaano kahaba si side 3? That is simply, kung yung haba niya kanina, eto lahat, kung yung haba niyan, yan, yung haba niyan is A, tas yung haba nito is B, therefore, yung haba nito, yung natira, we could actually express that as side 3 is equivalent to A, yung mahaba, bawasan natin ng B or minus B. And the same with side 4. So, kanina, yung original na haba nito, ito, mula rito hanggang dito, is A. Tapos, bawasan ng ganito kahaba. Bawasan ng ganyang kahaba. Therefore, yung magiging length ni side 4, ito, magiging length niya in terms of A and B is A minus B ulit. Okay, let us try to answer number 5. So, anong nangyari sa figure natin? So, itong figure na to, ito yung figure na nabawasan nung area ni B. or that is simply a squared minus b squared. Okay? Ayan. Ito yun, ano? Yung nabawasan. Tapos, ang ginawa natin, inalam natin kung ano yung what is this? Kung ano yung side, kung gaano kahaba si side 3. And that is denoted by a minus b. Ito po yun. At si side 4 is also a minus b. Ito po yun. So, ito na po sila. A minus b, then a minus b. Yung haba nito is a minus b hanggang dyan. Yung haba nito, mula rito hanggang dito, is a minus b. Yung haba nito, since parisukat naman siya, is b. Diba? At yung haba naman nito, just to clarify things, yung haba nito mula rito hanggang dito is a. Okay. Now, this time, ang gagawin naman natin, hahatiin natin yung figure into two separate figures. Figure 1 and figure 2. Okay. Now, pag nahati natin yung dalawang figure, yung figure 2, kailangan baliktarin natin, i-flip natin. I-flip natin siya. So, pag flip natin siya, idudugtong uli natin sa figure 1, tapos ganitong magiging itsura niya. Okay? Now we are ready to answer the next question. What is the area of the new rectangle in terms of A and B? Ngayon yung binaliktad natin, nandun pa rin naman yung mga dimensions niya yung nung binaliktad natin si figure 2. Figure 2 nandito pa rin yung B. Tapos bale kung sa papel natin to gagawin, isusulat uli natin sa likod yung mga dimensions niya. Tapos A minus B at saka yung dimension na A, yung length na A. So yung mga length na yon, pagka binaliktad natin yung figure 2 or flinip natin, gagawin natin, isulat uli natin para hindi natin makalimutan. Tapos idudugtong natin doon sa figure 1. Pag dinugtong natin sila, they will form a rectangle. Now, what is the area daw of the new rectangle in terms of A and B? So, makikita nyo naman yung mga dimensions ng rectangle, and if you're going to denote the area of a rectangle is just length times width. And in this case, what will be the new width? Ito. What will be the new width of the rectangle? The width of the rectangle is A minus B. Ano naman yung magiging bagong length niya? Ito. Ayan. Ano yung magiging bagong length niya? Remember, yung haba nito, ito, is B. At yung haba nito is A. Pagka kinumbay natin sila, yung total length nila will be A plus B. And since yung pagkuha naman ng area is all we have to do is to multiply their length and width. So ang gagawin natin, we will just multiply this two dimensions. So you have A minus B times A plus B, or A plus B times the quantity A minus B. So ganun lang po. The last question that we're going to have is, using our expression in the previous questions, what equality could we conclude? Okay, so kung naalala niyo pa before, yung area nito, etong figure na to, ang area niyan is the area or the total area of that figure will be A squared minus B squared. Now, the same figure na hinati lang, tas binaliktad yung isa and then kinonek uli. So, what can we conclude? Samantalang ito naman, yung area niya is A minus B times A plus B. So, what can we conclude about these two set of area? since they only pertain to what is this? They only pertain to one figure, which is kung halos wala naman silang pinagkaiba, di ba? They are just equal. Ang ginawa lang naman natin, hinati natin, pero dinugtong uli natin. So, they are equal. Ayan. They are equal. So, we can say, therefore, now that a squared minus b squared is just equivalent to this, which is a minus b times a plus b. O, di ba? And this pertains to the difference of two squares.